Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, how are you all? Here I am. Today I will show you a simple hand embroidery. This is a beautiful woman. So there I am using paper copy apps to trace my design at first in a white paper. I adjusted the photos. Paper copy apps allow you to freeze the image so that you can easily draw the design. So my designing on paper is complete. Now I will transfer it on my cloth. I am using here friction pen, which is can easily remove by heat. So please try to use friction pen when you are trace the design on your cloth. This is so convenient and easy. So here I am trace the design on my cloth. Here I have taken 3 strings. I use back stitch for whole embroidery. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and thumbs up the video. And also let me know in comment which topics you want to me video for you all. Thank you. Let's enjoy the video now.